Welcome back, everyone. We have a lot to bring you up to speed on this morning as the tropics are really starting to get active. Starting first here in the Caribbean. So this is Cuba, Dominican Republic, and Haiti. Puerto Rico is over here. This is Tropical Storm Franklin. Right now, Tropical Storm Franklin is moving to the west presently at 6 miles per hour with max sustained winds of 50 miles per hour. But more importantly, note the abrupt turn to the north that will occur today and this evening, taking the center of the tropical storm over either Haiti or the Dominican Republic. So we currently have tropical storm warnings along the southern coast of the Dominican Republic and Haiti, tropical storm watch along the northern coast of the Dominican Republic and the Turks and Caicos. Similar to what you heard, the messaging from Hillary, the biggest threat for this particular storm will be potential heavy rainfall, flooding, flash flooding, and mudslides where we could get up to 15 inches of rain. Let me say that again, up to 15 inches of rain possible over Haiti and Dominican Republic as the center moves over on Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, shifting west, we have a new system, a newly formed system in the Gulf of Mexico, just formed about an hour ago, that is forecast to become tropical storm strength by the time it reaches the southern coast of Texas tomorrow morning. This is a very fast-moving system, so it's really going to close the gap between the central Gulf of Mexico and southern Texas within 18 to 24 hours and reach the southern coast of Texas as a tropical storm. There's no chance at this point of it becoming a hurricane, but a tropical storm. Note that tropical storm warnings are now in effect. That's the blue area here, covering Brownsville and Corpus Christi. But the biggest threat here, I think, is going to be the rainfall. I'll get that on for you here. And you can see here the yellow area is 4 to 6 inches. The green area is 2 to 4 inches. So probably not the best day to be driving around in these types of conditions. In terms of storm surge, not a big storm surge threat, not a big storm surge maker, but potential to raise water levels by up to 1 to 3 feet along the coast of southern Texas here, Brownsville, Corpus Christi. You could be in that area. So not a big storm surge flooding potential in this case, but rip currents and heavy surf probably mean tomorrow's not going to be a good day to be at the beach. So I would stay away from the beaches with these types of conditions. Now, if we move over again to the west, we'll look at the remnants of Hillary. Hillary the moisture continues to stream up over the Intermountain West. You can see just a large area in this yellow under a flood watch. And even though some of the rains are starting to diminish here in Southern California, look how much of this area still under flood warnings. So just because it stopped raining, you probably don't want to venture out in some of these areas under the flood warnings because it could take a little while for the flood to fully unfold for you. So I think, please be really careful in these areas under flood warnings. And we'll continue to see a flood threat from the remnants, mostly the moisture of Hillary here over the Intermountain West. That's it from us. We'll be back here tomorrow to provide you the latest information on the tropics.